Good morning, guys. I hope we're all sparkly. CDIP done with the team. Epic but emotional. It was cold, not that cold, but when you haven't done it for a while, yeah, you need to recondition your body into enduring the hardship. And it's all about earn your reward. I've been to the gym. Back day. I quite like back day because we're animals, but we've stood up. So let's work on the posterior chain as opposed to the anterior chain. And all those 16-year-olds doing their bench press. Actually, if you work on your back, good posture, good chest. Little trick there. So what am I going to talk about today? Well, I've been instructed by the real boss to talk about the fact we're offering online new patient TRT consultations. Heaven forbid. It's disappointing. Who's it disappointing for? Me. Is it exciting for you? Comment in the comment section, because I am now confident that we can offer the same standard of care online that we offer face to face. Now, I would always, and I mean always, prefer to see the whites of your eyes. I would always like that human connection, because I think fundamentally, outside of normalizing physiology, which is what you're going to come to see me about, that human connection is a necessary part of the process. But it is what it is. We have to evolve. And there is no room for complacency within this field of medicine, because when we started, there weren't many people doing it. It was literally myself, another couple of clinics, and we have led the way. We've led the way in the microdosing TRT methodology. We've led the way in introducing cypionate into the UK. And the Society for Endocrinology guidelines have changed because of us. They are now recommending shorter intervals of these medium-chained esters, cypionate and enanthate. To do what? Improve stability. And that's what it's about, stability. Achieving stable male androgen levels using the minimum effective dose. So why this shift? Why am I disappointed? Because I've said, listen, I like human connection. I think it's key to success, but this is the modern world and people want convenience. Now, can we offer the same standard of care that we offer face-to-face online? Yes, we can. I'm 100% confident that we can. We've been doing this now for 10 years. Now, we know that the fundamental presenting symptoms of low testosterone are psychological. So how can we deliver the same standard of care? Watch the videos, look at the information, have that important interaction with your doctor. It's either going to be me or Dr. Sean Williams. We are going to be in control of your protocol. We are going to be effectively advising you. There are no case managers. There are no patient advocates. You what? No. You will be having a conversation with myself or Dr. Williams, and we will always be acting in your best interests. There will be no upsell of weight loss medications. We do not offer weight loss medications because I'm telling you right now, there is going to be a problem in the future because of this loss of lean muscle mass and all these heroin chic people that think it looks great looking like they look. No, they don't look good, because what is the main predictor of longevity? Yeah, lean muscle mass. So you may have lost the fat, but you've lost lean muscle mass. Now, how are you going to get that lean muscle mass back? Through jaw exercises? No. You are going to be in trouble. So, yeah, we don't do that. We don't offer hair loss medications or hair restoration medication. Finasteride, it is poison. The devastating effects of post-finasteride syndrome should not be underestimated, but it only happens in a few people. Yet with those few people, it's catastrophic. What do you want to do? You want to normalize physiology, because what have you got right now? Distorted physiology. So you're going to take a drug to lower DHT. I like DHT. It's good for muscles. It's good for your mood, because it has an interaction with GABA, the calming neurotransmitter. And what's it all about? Balance, baby. Balance between testosterone, estradiol, DHT, and the counterbalance to that is cortisol. And we're very stressy, aren't we? So we have all these sympathetic neurotransmitters firing hard, and then the cortisol takes over because we don't ever release that stress, because we're physical beings in a world of psychological stress. So yeah, look, Physiology is super important. So we can offer the same standard of care because we've done this thousands of times. We haven't rushed into this decision. We've been practicing for almost 10 years now. Yeah, give me strength. Boom. And the hardest part is the psychological part. But again, we're fans of tough love here at the Men's Health Clinic because you need tough love. So you need structure, you need formula, and we can do that online. So you will still have that interaction with myself or Dr. Williams and our clinical admin team, who you will all know from the videos, because this is the team. We are a strong, united team, and we can now offer online TRT consultations to those guys who literally cannot get to surgery, because we've offered it, but we've declined it before because, again, I like that human interaction. And I thought, well, listen, you know, if you can't be bothered to come down to the clinic just once, then why should I put that effort in? And again, bit of ego, bit of naughty ego creeping in there. And it's not about that. It's about doing best by my patients. And you could be my patient, heaven forbid. This crazy guy ranting in his Land Rover. Yeah, I will always act in your best interest. I will always tell you what you need to hear, not necessarily what you want to hear. And obviously we are doctors. We're proper doctors who understand this condition to the nth degree. This is all we do. I will not stop, Terminator. No, it's literally all we do. And again, we are that confident in the model that we can launch online new patient TRT consultations. But I'm saying you this one more time. I would always prefer to see you, but I understand life is busy. We have commitments, family, friends, work, the list goes on. And sometimes those commitments are they're a necessary evil, aren't they? Because again, we can't all be sitting on a mountain doing Wim Hof and bloody doing meditation. We have to live in this world and we have to earn a crust to support our families. Man's role to protect, to support. And sometimes we make these sacrifices to our health. As the Dalai Lama said, what's the most peculiar thing about mankind is he sacrifices his health for wealth, and then he spends his wealth to regain his health. And yeah, lots of us have done that. Lots of us have made mistakes. And again, we're sometimes a little bit stuck in this model. So what have we got to do? We've got to make the best out of it. And how do you make the best out of it? You need to have critical thinking. Not take the path of least resistance. If something sounds too good to be true, have one guess. It's too good to be true. But you must apply effort. You must think, take a step back. Does this seem right? If this seems right, go for it. If it seems too good to be true, it is too good to be true. Why do we talk about earn your reward, that determined effort? Because it's not about the destination. It's about the journey. What are you going to do to improve your health? Are you going to take personal responsibility and accountability for your actions? Yeah, hopefully you are. Because if you do that, I can help you. If you don't do that and you take this as a flippant thing, because again, TRT, just jump on TRT. Listen to all these social media idiots. Jump on TRT and you'll feel amazing. No, it's a process. It's a careful titration of dose according to effect, and you need to put the effort into all the other things, the 4 pillars of hormonal health: lifestyle, sleep, stress, nutrition, eat a healthy, well-balanced diet, whole foods, intermittent fasting, exercise, HIIT, resistance training, mindset, earn your reward. That's really what it's about. So if you do all those things and you trust the journey, you can succeed in life, because it's a journey of exploration, and the only moment that matters is right now. So we want to make things a little bit easier for you to be under our care and supervision, because again, historically, I've resisted it. I've resisted it again because I didn't think I could potentially deliver the same standard of care. But we have done this thousands of times before. And perhaps there's a bit of ego. Perhaps there's a bit of dogma. I said, right, no, because the other online companies, they're all rubbish. Because they all do it, and loads of patients contact the clinic, say, I'm unhappy with X, Y, Z. Can I come over to you? Yes, you can, but you've got to come to clinic. But now, no longer. Disappointing, but you have to move with the times. You have to evolve and always act in the best interests of the patient. And that's what we do here at the Men's Health Clinic. So, nothing else to say apart from, guess what? Earn your reward.